Okay, welcome back once again. This is Vincent, your instructor. In this video, we are looking yet at another principle in designing, or principles of designing. And in this principle of designing, we are looking at hierarchy. So we are looking at the principle of hierarchy. Okay, so what is this hierarchy all about? Hierarchy, as you can see, the way these texts are arranged, you can tell what this hierarchy is trying to demonstrate. Okay, so I'm sure you can guess, and I'm sure you are guessing right now. Okay, so hierarchy, this is more of the order. Okay, it's an order that is arranged from a higher state to the lowest state. Okay, so this is where if it's in a kingdom, it's more of the first highest person in the kingdom will be the king. Okay, and then the other person follows the other person to the least. Okay, so this now in designing, we can say hierarchy, it's more of an arrangement or an order of text from a higher state to the lower state. Okay, or from the higher size to the lowest size. Okay, from the higher size to the lowest size. Okay, that is in graphic designing. Okay, so as you can see here, the first highest size of a text is here on top, and then follows the second text here, reduced a bit in size, and then the other text here is reduced more than the second one, and then the last one is more or the least of all these. Okay, so it's more of a descending order. Okay, so it's more of a descending or ascending order. If you're starting from the smallest going up, it will be ascending order, and then starting from on top going down to the bottom or to the least to the lowest, that will be descending. Okay, descending order. So hierarchy, it's more of stages or orders from the highest rank to the lowest rank. Okay, it's more of a highest to the lowest. This is the order or the steps. Okay, in designing or in graphic designing, what this does, it also follows the importance of the hierarchy. Since now you know what hierarchy is all about and what it means, in designing we also have what orders. Okay, orders of state. Okay, what is this? This is the order of importance. Okay, the order of importance or emphasis. So emphasis, this has to do with the most important subject or heading that the project that will be designing is talking about, is what is captured or arranged in a higher hierarchy. Okay, so you put more emphasis on the message that the project is talking about. Okay, for example, it could be, if it's about a church poster, they can say worship night. So worship night, that will be the first hierarchy, okay, in order. The first hierarchy in order. All those important messages that are written will be arranged in a hierarchy order. The most important ones, they start on a higher hierarchy. Okay, so for example, worship, let us type the word worship. Let us use an example of what we are talking about. So as you can see here, this is what hierarchy looks like. Okay, so according to the principle of hierarchy, this is where the stages of importance ascends, okay, descends from the higher rank to the lowest rank. Here what you can see first is night of worship, then followed by encounter the presence of God, then followed by time 8 p.m. till late. Lastly, you can see location Kalanga Trading Mall. So the reason why you are reading in this manner, it's all about the principle of hierarchy. So you start from the important message, the most important message that will be very visible enough for the people to see first. Okay, what you want people to see first must be of the high rank. Okay, must be of the high rank. So here, night of worship is what this poster or an event is all about. Okay, so it will be the most visible enough, then followed by encounter the presence of God. So the reason why it is in small size compared to the largest ones here, it is because this is the second important message that you want your audience to read. Secondly, then follow in the order like that, depending on the messages that you have. You'll be making sure that the important ones follow each other in hierarchy order. Okay, so here you can see time, then lastly location. Okay, like that. So this is how hierarchy principle works. Okay, so this is it for now. Join me in the next video. Thank you for watching.